Drop the bag, sir. Drop the bag. Done.
On March 25, 2026, at approximately 4 p.m., a Houston police officer responded to a call about a suspicious person who was carrying a pink bag and a handgun walking near a school. An officer located a subject matching the description who was later identified as Bada Atef Mohammed Al-Quda, if that's how you pronounce it, who told him to drop the gun. He didn't listen and a gunfight ensued. Check it out.
Drop the bag. Drop the bag. 1713 making contact. Drop the bag. Drop the bag. Drop the bag. Drop the bag, sir. Drop the bag. Done. Drop the bag. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired! Stop!
If you end up in a situation like this, wait for backup. When you get into shooting, you get an adrenaline rush. When you get an adrenaline rush, sometimes you end up with tunnel vision and you don't notice stuff like this. More than likely, one of your partners will catch it, so there's no need to approach alone.
Apartment complex, suspects down. Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! I'm in an apartment complex, just north of my vehicle. Suspects down. Turn around.
Know where you are so you can get help to you.
¿Cuál es el apartamento este? Los nombres. Cedar Glen Apartments, apartment number 13. He had a gun on me, bro. He ran this way. Cedar Glen Apartments.
The reason we carry tourniquets is for us and our partners. If you're going to carry one, be sure and train with it. He's taking a little long here with the tourniquet, and it's okay because this guy's a dirtbag, but if it's one of your partners or you need it on yourself, make sure you know how to use it.
I fired. I got a holster, bro. He dropped the gun.
Where did you drop it at?
He ran through here. Hey, walk this aisle through inside the tree behind the shed. Check the truck and the. Hey. Okay, all right. Hey, you got him right here, bro? All right. Got my magazine right there. He ran through here. Here's the gun over there. Fuck. Oh, fuck.
All right, now no one knows everything and everybody makes mistakes on duty. Anybody who says they don't make mistakes is 100% full of shit, which is why we have to train. If you don't train, things are going to go wrong. Right at the beginning, when he was drawing his gun, he didn't get his gun out till the third pull. Right about here, he recognizes the threat. It was the first pull, second pull, and now he gets it out. Those few tenths of a second can be the difference between life and death. Know your equipment. I was taught that lesson by my father when I was really young. At the age of 10, 11, 12 years old, my father had me drawing a gun over and over and over and over. And I hated him for doing it to me because I wanted to go out and play, right? I wanted to watch TV, play video games, but he had me doing that dumb shit. That dumb shit later saved me later on in life. And in October of 1994, I was ambushed. Unfortunately for that guy, the weekend prior, I spent shooting the entire weekend at a tactical shooting class. That dirtbag taught me a lesson about equipment. The first thing it taught me is not to carry anything that can reflect light. The only reason I saw his gun right away, it was dusk, and the reason I saw his gun is because as he was pulling his shirt up to draw his handgun, I saw light reflecting off the gun. And because of the training over and over the weekend prior, I drew before he did. And I still remember, I could still see his eyes. They looked like they were about this fucking big. And he was surprised, so surprised that when he drew his gun, the gun went flying out of his holster and landed on the ground. The point is that this guy did not know his equipment. That happening to me when I was so young taught me a lesson about equipment that I never forgot. So make sure you have good equipment and make sure you train with the equipment. If you haven't seen it, I just made a video about knife attacks on police officers. Check it out on the channel. If you guys see something I didn't catch, we can all learn collectively, for especially you guys out there on the street. If you see something we didn't say, or if you notice something that I could have added to this, maybe we can go live and have a discussion or something. It's just really important that everybody goes home at the end of the day. And it's the simplest things that can get you killed, right? Just from not staying behind cover to equipment malfunction to not noticing that your slide is locked back. Those are all things that can kill you in a gunfight. That's all I have for you guys today. Be vigilant, be safe.